Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode on Draw.io. If you've been working with dark mode enabled and find it straining your eyes, or you simply prefer a lighter interface, switching back to light mode is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Draw.io. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to accessing the Draw.io editor, where you'll be able to make all your diagram adjustments and customize your workspace settings. After clicking Start, the site will redirect you to a new tab. This is where the Draw.io editor opens up, and it's also where you'll have access to all the customization options, including the appearance settings. Give it a moment to fully load as the editor needs to initialize all its tools and features before you can start making changes. Once the editor has loaded completely, look toward the top of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Here, locate and click on Extras. This menu houses a variety of additional settings and options that aren't part of the main toolbar, including preferences for how your workspace looks and behaves. From the Extras drop-down menu, you'll see several options appear. Find and click on Appearance. This is the specific section that controls the visual theme of your Draw.io interface, allowing you to switch between dark mode and light mode depending on your preference. After clicking Appearance, you'll be presented with theme options. Here, you'll see the current setting, which is likely set to dark. If you're looking to turn it off, simply change it to light. As soon as you make this selection, the interface will immediately switch from dark mode to light mode, giving your workspace a brighter, cleaner look that's easier on the eyes during extended work sessions. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off dark mode on Draw.io and switched to a light theme that better suits your working preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.